Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett, the Love Encore Delivery Specialist at Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm back today with another tech tip for you. Now, most new Subarus can also be made into a Wi-Fi hotspot, so that's what we're going to talk about today. I got asked by another YouTube user who was wanting to know, how do I go about enabling that for a road trip? Now today I am going to be showing you how to do this on Subarus with the 11.6-inch touchscreen, because that is now the more common touchscreen with the newer Subarus. If someone out there would like to see a video covering the older touchscreens, let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to make a video about it. So let's go hop in the car and I'm going to show you how to enable a Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, a few things real quick before I show you how to enable this Wi-Fi hotspot. It is provided by AT&T. Now, you do not have to be an AT&T customer to utilize this Wi-Fi hotspot. But if you are an AT&T customer, you can add the car as a line to your cell phone bill. Now, you're going to have to talk to AT&T to get help with doing this. Your local Subaru dealership cannot help you out with this. Okay, now where you're going to go to enable that Wi-Fi hotspot is on the touchscreen. You are going to go into the settings. And you want to make sure that you're in that general tab right there. And all you have to do is go down to Wi-Fi hotspot. Now from here, just turn it on. And you have to give it a second. There we go. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your device that you're wanting to connect to this Wi-Fi hotspot, like your phone, a tablet, whatever it is. You're going to look for Telemax Wi-Fi. That is the name of the Wi-Fi network that you need to connect to. It will ask you for a password. Well, it's right down there. Now, the password is case sensitive, so if I was going to type in that password, I've got to do it in all caps. But you can change that password, by the way. You're not stuck with what the cars have on them by default. Now, unfortunately, for the next part of getting this Wi-Fi hotspot set up, I can't show you this next part. You're going to have to do this next part on your own. Now, once you're connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot on your device, you are going to be redirected by AT&T to a web page that they control. From there, AT&T is going to help you to set up the account and pick out a data plan that you would like to pick for the Wi-Fi hotspot. So just follow those prompts on your device from AT&T and you'll be all good to go. And once you get all that done, the Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled and up and running. All right, so there you go. Now you know how to enable a Wi-Fi hotspot in your Subaru. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and also ring that bell. That way you know whenever I post new content. And as always, if you have a question about your Subaru, feel free to put a comment in the comment section down below this video. And who knows, I might make a video about it and answer your questions. So thank you so much, and I will catch you next time.